Alright guys, so Kimimoto was kind enough to send us a brand new soundbar, which is kind of funny because I was just telling Tyler the other day that I need a new sound system for my buggy because I just have like the crappy Amazon speaker ones. They do the job, but I've been really wanting a new sound system, so we got this soundbar sent to us. Open it up here and see what it looks like. Wow, this is nice. Flip it around here so you guys can see. This is a pretty sturdy soundbar.
I was gonna say the clamps, and you can mount it on top and on the bottom, which is nice because a lot of soundbars they only let you clamp it from.
Yeah, you only have
to. You have to hang it. So if you don't have harness bar, you're kind of screwed. We'll just unwrap all this and then come back. Steel bolt into aluminum. Don't have to be super tight. If you do it too tight, just remember, you'll have little cool filings come out on here, and then you can't reuse the hole. I'm sorry about the fan, but it is like Amazon style humidity out here today.
Or not.
So it's in. It's actually really loud. Like, you're not gonna go to Walmart and pick up a radio or Marine speakers off Amazon and have the same thing. The cool thing is, on the remote, once you get the remote, get everything all mounted, first thing first is clean up your wiring, figure out your power, what you wanna do. Do you wanna use a cigarette plug up here? Whatever, you do that. You wanna go right to your battery and remember to turn it on and off by yourself. You can do that too, but on this side, I zip tie the wires up, put a P-clamp in to the back of the cage with a stainless bolt, just like this. It just keeps everything from coming around, and then I will drill. And you pick your color out, whatever color you want. It will strobe to the music, and it's cool because it's got the backlight here. So, and if you don't want the backlight on, you can just unscrew it right here. I like the idea of having the backlight incorporated into this, especially if you're putting it in here. But if you're riding at night or something and we run sacks in the back, you can't always see your taillights. Do it all off the remote. And it goes up loud. That's all we can play before YouTube says we're bad people. So.
Alright guys, so Tyler showed you guys how to put in the speaker step by step. It's pretty simple. It's not too hard. We really appreciate Kimimoto for sending this to us. Go hit them up for your side-by-side needs because they sell just a lot more than speakers, and I like that because it changes colors. I think it's pretty cool. What do you got to say?
Discount code in the link below. We've been slacking pretty hard on the YouTube.
Yes, we have.
And the whole riding aspect this year.
Life gets busy, and you guys know that. Work gets busy.
Yeah, Emily's been working a lot. I've been trying to pick up whatever storms we can find and all that. So We're gonna have some real winter content coming out here soon. We have a pretty long week planned at Windrock, and then we're going to Hillbilly Trails. So we're gonna have 8 days of probably absolute carnage and some sightseeing stuff. We got my parents coming with us and some other friends that don't really like to get into that. So we have friends that are meeting us there. You've seen Kentucky Doug. I'm pretty sure he'll be at Hillbilly Trails. Greg and Beth will be at Windrock. So we'll have some friends that like to get in there, but we'll have some good mix of riding. So a few weeks of content off of that. And then wintertime, we're going to see some big changes to both of our machines, I'd say.
It's August. Let's not push it.
Well, we're not riding for another almost month, so just around the house. There's nothing in this state to even ride on that's fun. So, but yeah, so there'll be some of that, and then I think maybe for another video, a few people have asked about it. Maybe we'll do how we do our seat bases. Emily's seat has been missing for the last few rides.
Don't worry, guys. He's right there.
Yeah. Wiring I could find, and we just went ahead and started troubleshooting stuff. So, but I think the next video that we'll do here is probably next week. I'd say we'll probably end up building a seat base because the KRX seats suck. So after you use them and get time on them, they like to slide, bounce around, and not stay tight. So yeah, that's it.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we're gonna try and get back with the weekly YouTube videos. Like I said, life gets busy, you guys know how it is, so go hit that like and subscribe button.